Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Nisha. So how are you? I hope you all would be fantastic, good and busy in your day because this weekend is going busy weekend. Festival season is going on and Diwali is around the corner. So we all are busy and not having much time for our practice of listening, reading and not get time. Even I was also busy and didn't upload my video, and still I am. But one thing I want to tell you and share with you that is very very important for we all, because we are English learner, okay? And this is the life we are connected with. Not only we are not only learner, we are uh, like a daughter and sisters and so many things we have to do and play the role at our home, at our college, everywhere, okay? So sometimes it's not possible to do our practice well uh, and nice way, okay? Because we are human, so we have a social responsibility and all. So in that time as well, this time festival is around the corner and cleaning our home, it's important. And this work is done with family gathering, family unity. So there we have to give the time our like like work hard for celebrating it. So in this time we are not having much time, it's okay, but we have, in such time we have two way. First one is to lay practice fully, okay? For 2 and 3 days, okay? And second one, keep connectivity. So I have chosen keep connectivity. I keep connectivity this language. How? Let's see. What I do, I I do work, okay? And evening time, this is my target. I have to talk one and two people, no matter how much tired I am, no matter how much busy I am. But 10 and 20 minutes I have to do practice. For same for listening, reading, writing, okay? I know in this much time nothing can be done, but the thing can be done in this much time that cannot be done when we will live fully. By saying this, अगर 2 दिन प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? तो अगर हम 2 दिन 3 दिन प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो हमें लगता है कि कुछ नहीं होगा, क्या हो जाएगा, कुछ भी नहीं होगा. But no, we will lose our confidence, fluency, confident, and moreover we will have to push ourselves, motivate ourselves, ready ourselves when we will have to come back after finishing the work, okay? After celebrating this festival, that time we will face the issues. But if we keep connectivity by doing 5 and 10 minutes, in that cases we won't lose our confidence, fluency, and we will won't have to raise ourselves, push ourselves, motivate ourselves, ready ourselves that I now I have to practice, I have to practice. सो विच वन इज़ बेटर? एक जो है आप बनाए हैं, अपना एक कॉन्फिडेंट बना के रखे हैं, उसको आप लूज करेंगे, फिर उसको बिल्ड करेंगे ट्रैक पे आने के लिए. और एक ये रास्ता है जिसमें आप कॉन्फिडेंट जो बनाए हैं वो आपका कॉन्फिडेंट बना का बना ही रहेगा. जब आप कम बैक करेंगे तो उस टाइम आपको जो है आप सेम कॉन्फिडेंट में रहेंगे. तो विच वन इज़ बेटर? So in this time, my dear friend, we must keep the connectivity this language. You also must do it. So then you can be in touch with us. Otherwise, our we are, once we leave practice for 1 day 2 day, after that we start feeling not to do next day. हमें जो है लेजीनेस होने लगता है. हम सोचते हैं अरे एक और दिन नहीं करते हैं, एक और दिन नहीं करते हैं. In this way we take a lot of time. So don't let laziness dominate you and hold you back. Okay.